So, hello guys, my name is Majitov Muzaffar. I'm a student at Dongseo University. Today, I decided to prepare to you a video which describes how to work with Google Sheet, like sorting, filtering, conditional formatting, and visualizing, and import data from the websites. So, look by starting by the sorting. So if you want to sort the data, of course, you have a lot of data. If you want to sort, you have to put a column and you have to mark the column and go to data, and you have two options. You have two options: sort by range or sort by sheet. If you sort by range, only the sheet only change. Let's see, sort by range by A to Z or Z to A, and we have to put the column G and go to the data and sort by range. If you sort by range, the only column will change. Let's see, A to Z. You can see there is no A or B, but the alphabetical structure is going down, C, H, U, of course. And you have the next option. Of course, you have to go to data and sort by sheet. If you want to sort by sheet, Z to A, let's see. Yeah, you can see the whole change, the column will change. And let's look at by filtering the data. If you want to filter the data, you have to open the format. Now the data, and you have to create a filter. If you create a filter, all columns contains on the mark, you can see the here. And if you want to see if you want to filter the data, of course, you can see you have to put here, and if there is two columns, female and male, of course you have to clear all. If you want to see only male, you have to mark male and put the mark OK. And you can see the only male you can find. And let's see the age. If you want to know male who married or single, you have to count here and clear all. And let's see the male who are single. Okay. And you can find the single male. The column will not change. Only it can show you only male and single male. And let's see if you want to see the male who are single and whose age 18 to 25, you have to clear all and put only mark 18 to 25. And you can see there is only two male whose age 18 to 25 and who is single. It's really easy. Let's look at by conditional formatting. If you want to conditional formatting, you have to need clear data. Yeah, there is a lots of data, and you can find there is the answers. And if you want to see if you want the conditional formatting, of course you have to put the column and mark all. And if you want to know who gave the answer only 5, and you have to go to format and go to conditional formatting. And there is a single color change. There is a rules. Of course, you have to put the text contains. You have to mark text contains and write only. If you want to see 1, 2, 8, 3, 5, or 4, we want to know only 5. Okay, 5, and you can change the color. Let's mark is the green, and done. Of course. Yeah, a little bit time it takes. So you can see only the numbers are changed. Of course, you have to clean the all and mark it and done. Yeah, takes some time. Of course, you can find the who gave answer. It contains the filtering. Let's see if you want to know the people who are not answered, and you have to, of course, come to the text contains and write net not answered. Write not answered. Not answered, and you have to do. Let's mark it red. We have to mark the column. Mark all column, and let's see who are not. There is answers who are not answered. Of course, we have to go conditional formatting and claim this one and mark it text contains text value not answered, right? Not answered. Answered and put it right. It takes some time, right? Yeah, you can see the marks who are not answered. Yeah, you can see, you can find. I only choose 5 or 8 columns. You can choose all columns. Yeah, you can find. And let's look at by visualizing the data. Yeah, they have to need some. Yeah, if you have lots of or more data, let's look at by monthly sales, April, May, June, July. If you want to visualize the data, of course, you have 2 options. First one is insert chart. Of course, if you want to come here, you can find the sheets chart. Let's look at by chart 1. Chart. Yeah, you can see the chart aggregate. Of course, we have to series April, May, June, July. And let's see there is a different options. You can find the pie chart, array, or bar chart. It really depends on you. You can choose any one. Let's see the column or pie chart. You have 1 row and April, right? June. Let's see the June. There you can find or you can visualize it like this. It's really easy. It's really easy one. Yeah, if it's understandable, let's move on how to import data from the website or different kind of Wikipedia. Of course, we have to need some kind of formulas. First one we have to do import the data. If you write the import, you can find different kind of options. Of course, you need to import data, but first one you have to find the appropriate Wikipedia or some kind of site. But I prefer Wikipedia because the column will not change. It will be correct, all of them. Of course, I choose football players who scored 5,500 or more goals. And right, if you want to copy if you scrap the data, you have to put the right side of the mouse, and of course you need to inspect. You can see the elements, console, source, network. Of course, we need to enter the console, and we have to write some formulas, but don't worry about it. I will put these formulas into description of the video. Of course, we need to here and put the enter, and you can see there is a formulas. And if you want to find the appropriate table, of course you can. If you want to see which one is table you are wanting to scrap the data, of course you have to know the index number of the table. Of course, we can see that this table index number is 2. Of course, and then we have to copy the link of the website, and we need to go to our Excel form, our Google Sheet, and we have to open quotation mark, and of course we have to copy the link of the website, and again open the quotation mark and comma, quotation mark. Of course we wanted to copy, we wanted to scrap the data on table, right? Of course we need to write the table and close the quotation mark, and again. And if you want to know the which column, of course we choose the second column. You have to write only the, you have to table 2. That's why table 2, and close the quotation mark and close the link. And if you put enter, it takes some time because the data is 2 more. And of course you can see the data was copied correctly, and it's really easy. Don't worry about it. And let's see the, if you want to, we only copied only the table, and there is a 2 options you can choose. And let's look at by list, the lists data. If you want to copy the only list data, of course you have to import HTML, and of course it really require you some code. Of course we have 2 codes. For one code is for only for table, and second code is only for list. And don't worry about it, I will put it to the description of video. Of course, if you want to list the ingredients, I decided to choose sherbet batch. Yeah, you can find the command line time sherbet and direction. Let's do it as the previous one, course in spec, and we have to enter the console and copy the link, copy the code. But if you want to know the code, of course, we here last one is the table, but we changed it UL or OL. But don't worry about it. I will put into the description of the video, and we have to give the enter. Of course, we need ingredients. Let's see the index number. 1 is no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 11. The ingredients index number is 11. We can find it automatically show you which one is that. Yeah, we need first one is the ingredients 11 index number, and 12 is the direction. Let's go to our slide. No, don't worry about it. We have to copy the link of the website and import HTML. Of course, open the quotation mark and put the link of URL of the website, and of course open the quotation mark again, what we did the previous one, and we have to write list because we want to scrap the data on a list, and close the list. And which one we choose? Of course 11 and 12. 11, 12. We write the numbers 11 first, and 11, and close the quotation mark. Yeah, you can see that the ingredients are copied here. You can see the first one, like this one. And if you want to know, if you want to copy the ingredients, we copied ingredients. If you want to copy the directions, of course we need to do as what we did now, import HTML, of course the quotation mark, copy the link, and quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, this quotation mark, comma, quotation mark. We copied 11. If you want to, if we decided to copy the directions, and we need to the table number, what table number is, I think, 12. We will see. Of course, the direction contains 12 index number, and we need to write the il 12 and quotation. Yeah, you can see the ingredients and directions are copied here. It's really easy if you want to know how to do. Of course, follow me. And yeah, we have different kind of formulas and position, which we want if you want to do some kind of things with Excels. And let's do some complex structure. Of course, we need, if you want to copy the CSV or CSV data, you have to have some kind of formulas, but don't worry about it. There is no formulas, but if you follow me, you can know how to copy the CSV file. Yeah, of course, we need to write equal and import. We don't choose the import HTML. Of course, we need to choose the import data and open the quotation mark. Yeah, I'm so sorry, the internet is not working very well. It takes some time. Import data we need. Yeah, I decided to choose population CSV file, and there is a lots of data. If you want to copy the data, of course, you need to enter the row. Yeah, and you have to copy the link URL of the website and come back to your Google Sheet. Of course, the quotation mark and copy the link. And but there is no table, there is no list. You have to only open the quotation mark and close it. And yeah, it takes some time because the proportion of data is too big. That's why it takes some time, but don't worry about it. Yeah, you can see there is a data had copied here very well. Yeah, the last one, I forgot to mention it. Sorry for this. Yeah, there is a formulas. You can do some calculation with them. Yeah, if you want to add all of the numbers, of course, we have the formulas. If you want to know total sales, you have to open the, and there is a, of course, the sum, SUM, CUM, and if you put here, of course, you can see, and you can mark it automatically, mark it, but if you put the enter, no, I did a mistake, I think. And it automatically add all numbers, calculate, and there is a two option to do. You don't have to write all of them, sum or other things. If you come here at the here, yeah, you can see the mark like plus, and you can do like this. Like this is automatically calculated, but there is a second option. If you put here, if you put the mouse the left side of the mouse second time, it automatically calculate your calculate. And if you want to know the average sales, of course, you have to average sales, and it's automatically show you which column you want to calculate the average number. And yeah, it's really easy. You can see the, of course, we have to do like this. And if you want to know the lowest monthly rate, of course, we have to write lowest, no, minimum, right? Minimum, the lowest rate, and of course the B2 and B2 E2. Yeah, it's really easy. Yeah, and let's see the highest months. Which month was the highest one? Of course, we have to max. If you want to know highest rate, of course, you need to max and put it the all column like this. July, April to July. Yeah, you can see, and enter. Yeah, it automatically calculates really easy like this. Thank you guys for attention. So I decided to do my best. I'm so sorry if I did some kind of mistakes.